Hey, I'm Nitro Dave with Nitrous Outlet. Did you know that Nitrous Outlet is the leading manufacturer in nitrous spray bar installations? Spray bar installations are really common for blower applications and intake manifolds where someone's looking to be a little misconceived. So if you want a hidden nitrous system or just need to get spray bars installed in your blower, we are the answer for you. Let me show you how it's done.
Hey, I'm Colt. I work up here at Nitro Dave's. I do the machine work and fabrication on intakes, and today we're going to be installing a set of bars on this LT4 Edelbrock blower. I have it taped up where the snout would go and the top, so nothing can get inside. From that point, it's pretty much already ready. I will take it, stab it on the mill, and start machine work. Just take some fittings and we machine a spot. Machine a spot on the blower on both sides, because on this setup, this particular setup, we have to do a dual, what we call a dual spray bar setup, which we put two set of bars on this side and a set of bars on this side, and then we epoxy it in. And then we'll take brass tubing, solder it together, bend it, solder it together, lay it up in the inside, and then I will drill holes in a particular spot to feed the runner for both the fuel and the nitrous at a certain angle. Then it hits the runner just like it needs to.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Bradley up here at Nitrous Outlet. I do all the plumbing and all of the flowing around here for tune-up sheets. And today I'm gonna go over with you guys one of our very popular services that we offer up here for blowers and stuff. This is what we call our spray bars inside of our blowers, our lower blower hats. I'm gonna show you what all we look for in these and make sure that they are up to spec. Right here, if you look, these will be our spray bars. The outside will be our nitrous, the inside's gonna be our fuel. And if you look back here, this is where we're gonna have our fittings. And most of the time we'll have either something hard lined across here with a T fitting for one feed line, or we have our soft line kit as well. Basically, we want our nitrous to atomize with our fuel as it goes down into the runners, and it makes for a better, cleaner burn as it goes down through there. If you look down in here, you'll see that these holes, our outside one, of course, is still our nitrous line, and one inside one's still our fuel line. And basically, you can check out these holes. You can see the nitrous is pointed more straight up. The fuel is pointed more towards the outside of the intake. That's for better atomization as it goes down into the runners, and like I said, cleaner burn. Okay, so this is gonna be the nitrous side. So this should be, we're looking for a straight plume here to come up, as straight as it can get, pretty much. This one will be the fuel side here, and what we're looking for on this one is we want it to spray out towards the edge of the intake. We want it to cross across the nitrous line and atomize together as they go down through there. And that's perfect. So that's how I QC a blower hat. Appreciate everybody watching. Bring your intakes down.
All right, well, there you have it. You know how custom nitrous spray bars are done and blower application. For more information on a system like this, visit our website at nitrousoutlet.com, go down to Specialty Nitrous Systems and click on the tab. Or you can give one of our sales techs a call at 254-848-4300. We'll see you next time.